This is third lecture on centroid. Now I have chosen a L section to explain. This L section I can convert into two suitable figures. I am extending this portion with dotted line so that this will be my first rectangle, the complete horizontal portion, and vertical portion above this is my second rectangle. So I have got one and two rectangles. Now I have to determine centroid of this L section. It is a combined figure of two rectangles. Again, I can use the similar equation. X bar is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. For y bar it is a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. Accordingly, a1 is the area of first rectangle. Now first rectangle has got dimension 310. Accordingly, a1 will be 300 multiplied by 10, 3000 millimeters square. Second, I have a total height of 500, but my second rectangle is only this much portion. So I have to deduct this 510 multiplied by, subtracted, 10 is subtracted from that, remaining is 500. So height of this rectangle is 500, width is 10. So accordingly it comes out to be 500 by 10, 5000 millimeters square. X1 is center of this rectangle measured from left edge. So this is rectangle, so naturally at half of the distance means 300 divided by 2 will be x1, 300 by 2, 150 millimeters. X2, this is my second figure, center of this figure from left edge. So width is 10, center of this is 5. So 10 by 2 is equal to 5 mm is x2. Put it in the equation, x bar is equal to a1 into x1, so 3000 by 150 plus a2 into x2, that is 5000 multiplied by 5 divided by a1 plus a2. I get the answer x bar is equal to 59.38. It means from bottom at a distance of 59 means somewhere along this line my centroid will lie. Next, y bar. a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. a1 and a2 remains the same because the figure won't changes. But y1 is the distance measured from bottom to the top. So first figure is this one. This y stands for centroid, 1 stands for first. So center of first figure. So this is first figure, center of first figure from bottom, height is 10, so at the center means 10 by 2. So again it will be 10 by 2 is 5 millimeters. Y2, center of this figure, second figure starts from here to here. This height is 500. So from here it will be 500 by 2, 250. But I want from this point, so this 10 will be added to it, 10 plus 250. So accordingly 10 plus 500 by 2. So 10 plus 250 it comes out to be 260. Put these values in the equation. 500 is the area, 5000 multiplied by 5, a1 y1 plus 3000 is a2. Sorry, this is, yes, I have to correct it. So a1 is 3000 and a2 is 5000. Accordingly, the 3000 multiplied by 5 plus 5000 multiplied by 260, it comes divided by 5000 plus 3000, and the final answer will be 164.38 millimeters. So from bottom it comes out to be 164. So approximately somewhere here, and here 59 means somewhere here. So the centroid lies at this point. So accordingly, if I draw a line, this distance will be 59.38 and this distance will be 164.38 millimeters. So this is centroid of the figure. Thank you.